Hey guys, Corey here. I just wanted to preface this video with the following statement. First of all, I am not a mechanic. I have never trained to be a mechanic, nor am I remotely claiming to be any sort of expert in this field. I am offering my own opinion on the issue I had with this product. K&N products are great products. I haven't gotten any issues from the product itself. Where my issue lies is the instructions. The instructions are generally made to a brand and even model specific application. In my case, they were developed for a Commander XK and a Grand Cherokee WK from Jeep. There are 3 different motors that this could possibly cover for a range of years between 2005 and 2010 on just the Commander alone. There are vast differences between some model years for engine configurations, so I understand this could be moot for some applications. The instructions I felt lacked an actual description. There are several parts that are similar but are subtle differences, including nut sizes and bolt lengths. Having part numbers for the baggie of small parts you get would have helped tremendously, as it was sometimes difficult to decide, as you will see, which ones went where. I feel this adds a lot of unnecessary searching time to the installation, and the pictures only showed one side of each segment, which led to multiple examples of what do I do here, and certainly it did not help identify the correct parts to use. Hopefully someone at K&N will see this and make improvements on their instructions, and we'll be able to have a better product. Hey, we're out here installing this K&N air filter intake, cold air intake system, and we thought we'd bring you along with us to let you see how we did it. Thing we did was we unscrewed those hose clamps and then unhooked from there and pulled that out. Crystal is now taking out the grill again, like we did whenever we ran the wires for the lights. Okay, it says tilt it forward. Remove the 6 grill retaining clip from the grill, then tilt the grill forward and lift to remove from the vehicle. Awesome.
Just like that.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay, now we got to pull the fresh air duct forward to disconnect it from the air box and then remove it from the vehicle. So that's right here. That was hard. And then remove the air box mounting bolt as shown. I get to play with this now. Finally. How about that? Worked like a charm.
We got one more little bolt back in there. We're hoping we can get to. Kind of hard to keep the stuff in there.
Yeah.
With the loosening of a few bolts and holding back with some hoses, and something just fell. Not sure what that is.
I'm just trying to find where the other half of this is. I guess that's probably it. That's a vacuum line.
Is it even hooked up?
Probably not. It looked like it was broke.
Interesting.
Okay, install the provided edge trim onto the heat sheet. Need to get me a little, got that on.
The little heat shield rubber
Yeah.
casket thing.
Yeah. Rubber mounted stud into the L bracket with the provided hardware as shown. Okay. So which one is it? There's like 3 of them in here. Assuming it's that one. Where's that little L bracket thing at? There it is right there. Okay, let's see here. Put that one there. I gotta have, looks like a flat washer and a lock washer. Oh boy, now which one is it?
Are they exactly the same?
Not quite. They sure don't help you out here with no part numbers or anything like that, so.
Well, that's a U looking bracket, and that goes on that silver thing. And that's an L bracket.
I think that one must be a little short screw. Or a shorter screw. Okay, let's see here. Using the provided hardware, but it doesn't say one way or the other if there's a nut that goes on the back of it. I'm assuming that there probably is.
Now, if you want it to stay on there.
And that one doesn't stick off. Then maybe it does. Okay.
Interesting.
So let me get a nut.
More than what we already have.
Yeah.
There's 2 nuts working on this.
That leaves a little bit to be desired for directions here.
It's upside down.
No, it isn't
Maybe it's
upside
just
down.
me.
That nut doesn't go on there. So what nut do I use? Hold that.
So we found the right nut. It's always good when you have the right nuts.
Ah, nuts. That.
We got that part on.
Yeah, kind of. Just need to tighten it up now. That looks about right there.
He's asking me.
Okay.
I forgot
Right
to
there.
say it.
Now the question is, which one do I use now?
I don't know. There's another one. Is there anything inside that box?
I don't know.
I could have been videoing right through there. Been totally out of his way. You need me to hold something?
I'm not 100% sure right now.
Wasn't that nifty? Is the hood gonna close? Yeah, I guess it is. It's lower than the other.
Alrighty.
Now we're removing that. That's the upper air intake.
That's the plenum.
It's the what?
Plenum.
It's the plenum, whatever that is. It's the thing.
Yeah.
The thing.
Too much. Is the shorter one still out here?
It's right over there.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, there's a rubber grommet. Nope. Right here. Hold on to that. Don't destroy it. Putting in grommets. But that one wasn't too bad.
Oh, looks like it was pretty good.
Okay.
And then this slides in
Remove
there.
the rubber seal O-ring from the air temperature sensor.
Must be that little thing.
Yep.
Sorry for my videoing, folks. Does that just need to peel off? You want me to try?
I got it.
Yeah. That comes off.
Okay, install the air temperature sensor into the K&N intake tube as shown. Alrighty.
Like that.
It's got to go in a little bit farther. How, I don't know, but let me see if I can get this grommet to seal a little bit better. Almost, come on. Be good to me. Alrighty. One down, one to go. Another town and one more show.
There we go.
Starting to look like it.
Yeah, look at us figuring stuff out.
Okay. That bar there really helps a lot, don't it?
Yeah, I think it's this tight. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere.
Alright, cool. So we're having a hell of a time with these clamps. Started with that one, and then the hose, the tube right here. We can't get that tube on, and now we got to get that clamp back there retightened, and then we should be done. But other than that, it's on. So we'll try to see what we can do with that hose. All right, we got it on. We just got to get that tube right there on, and then we can call it done. And that's the K&N. The K&N air filter.
I'm gonna put these little pieces in this box.
Okay, we got the new vacuum hoses put in. We got the tube connected, cold air sensor. Everything seems done. Now that we got some daylight, now you can see what we got going on. Last night it just got too dark and we missed our sunlight.